If you're moving to Alaska, you need to know these 7 things. The weather is extreme. Alaska is known for extreme weather and temperatures that can range from -60 in the winter to over 100 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer. This could be a major factor to consider when buying property in Alaska, as extreme weather can take a toll on the home, the businesses, and people. The cost of living is high. Alaska is one of the most expensive states in the country. This is due in part to the remote location of the state, as well as the high cost of shipping goods into the state. It's important to make sure that you have a budget that can accommodate the high cost of living. The population is small. Alaska has a population of just over 730,000, making it the least populous state in the country. This can be both good and bad when it comes to buying property. On one hand, it can be difficult to find potential buyers for property if you decide to sell in the future. On the other hand, it can be easier to find a buyer if you're willing to offer a lower price. There's abundant wildlife. When most people think of Alaska, they think of wildlife, and for good reason. Alaska is home to some of the most majestic animals in the world, including bears, moose, eagles, and whales. Moose and bears can present themselves on your front porch and yard, even in downtown Anchorage. There's limited infrastructure. The state has only 2 main highways, which can make it difficult to get around. Additionally, there are only a handful of large airports in the state, but lots of small ones. If you're considering buying property in Alaska, it is important to make sure that you are comfortable with that limited infrastructure. There are unique tax laws. Unlike most states, Alaska does not have a state income tax or a sales tax. However, there are still taxes that must be paid on property purchase, including a real estate transfer tax and personal property tax. Last but not least, remember to have fun. Buying property in Alaska is a big decision, but it's also an exciting one. Living in Alaska is a bucket list item for many, and there are many reasons why even calling the last frontier home is just an amazing thing. So enjoy the process and savor the moment when you finally get keys to your new Alaska home. Hey, I'm Ken, your Alaskan Realtor. Check out these videos for more and enhance life and enhance home. The more you know.